Good morning, everyone. In holiday homework, I have given you a project work for computer in which you have to create a poster using any software. You can use MS Word, you can use PowerPoint, you can use if even if you don't have a computer or laptop, you can create a poster in your mobile phone also. So in your mobile phone, which software you are going to use, this is totally up to you. You can search in the Play Store applications for creating posters, and there also you can create the poster. So you have to create this poster which is of 15 marks, and these are the topics. You can choose any of the topic. For example, COVID safety measures, benefits of online education, summer camp, and 75th Independence Day. So you can create poster on any one of the topic, and you have to upload the image here on Atlantic. You will be able to see this in your exams. So here you have to upload images only. After creating your poster, you can take the screenshot of it and then you can upload the images, right? Okay, now let us understand how to create this poster. Now, first, I'm going to take the first topic only, COVID safety measures. So like I have already created a poster and I'll be showing you how to create this type of poster. So I have already created this poster in MS Word. Break the chain of infection, stop COVID-19, right? So here I have inserted four different images, like this person is the host or the person who is already infected. Now the virus is getting transferred into the air in the form of droplets, or maybe it is also getting transferred to the surfaces like your mobile phone or any other surface. When that person will sneeze, or maybe that person will touch your mobile, so virus will get transferred to your mobile, and when now you will be using your mobile phone and touch your eyes, nose, mouth, the virus will enter into your body also. So we have to break this chain, and to break this chain, what we have to do, how can we break this chain? We have to follow these rules. We have to wash our hands frequently after every 15 to 20 minutes. Cover your mouth, nose with a triple layer mask, not with a single cloth mask, but you should wear double mask. You can wear one of the cloth mask, and above it, you can have one surgical mask. So, or you can directly use triple layered mask or N95 mask. Practicing social distancing and greet without touching. So if you are going to meet someone, one of your relative or your friend, don't shake hand at that time. You can just say hi, or you can just say namaste. So like this, you have to maintain the social distancing and greet without touching them. Cleaning. Frequently, we have to clean the surfaces which are exposed to viruses, like your mobile phones, or maybe your clothes, or a tabletop, or anything, any surface which is uh, exposed to virus. You have to clean those surfaces using personal protective equipments like face shield, PPE kit, sanitizer. So if you are going, we should avoid going outside home. But if you have to go and there is, you cannot excuse that. So in that case, you should wear the face shield, mask, PPE kit, and you should also carry the sanitizer. So in this way, after following all these rules, we can break this chain of spreading COVID-19. So let's understand how to create this type of poster. Like this poster I have created in MS Word only. Now let's understand. Now this is MS Word. First, you can choose a background color to your page. Go to page layout and choose a background color, page color. You can choose any color of your choice. Right now, if I wanted to insert some rules, or maybe some uh, points at the end, so I can just insert shapes text box and you can draw a text box here. You can change the color of your text box also. Go to the format tab and go to shape fill and choose a color for your text box, whatever the color you wanted to give, that is your choice. You can go to more fill colors also and you can choose the appropriate color, whatever suits you according to your choice. Okay, next is now here you can write the points and do the editing. Similarly, at the top, you can insert word art. Go to insert word art and give the heading, whatever the heading you want to give. Like I'm just writing right. So you can insert a word art like this, and after that, like the image which I have shown you, the poster which I have shown you here, I have created a chain in which I have shown what are the different means steps which follow during the transmission. So you can create this type of chain using using smart art. So you can go to insert tab, you can go to smart art and choose any type of smart art. For example, I'm choosing this one. You can change the color also. So here right now the text is coming inside, and now suppose you wanted to, instead of the text, you wanted to insert a picture. So first you have to search for the picture. For example, like I am searching a picture of uh, carrier of COVID-19 images. You can write here clip art. So suppose, or you can just write infected person clip art, COVID infected person clip art. So suppose you wanted to insert this image, you can copy this image and just paste it in your document. So go to the text, click on the text and Control plus V to paste the image. Right, like this you can paste the image. Now you don't want to write the text over it, so just press enter and then no text will appear here. So you wanted to write a text after this, you can just insert simply shape text box, and here at the bottom you can just write infected person. You can bring it in center. You can remove the background of this text box. How to remove the background? Go to the format tab, go to shape fill and choose no fill. Similarly, shape outline, no outline. Now I wanted to change because black color is not much clear on the background. So I wanted to change the color also. So you can choose the color which you want. Like I have chosen white color now. You can choose a color from here also, white color. right? So in this way, instead of the text, you can insert the images here in the boxes, and then you can write your messages here. So like this, you can create a poster. So after creating your poster, after completing your poster, you can take the screenshot of it. And how you will take the screenshot of it? First, you have to open it in the as a full page. So how we will open it as a full page? For that, we will go to View tab, and there is an option of full screen reading. Click on this. Now whole poster will appear on a single page. Now here you can take the screenshot using snipping tool or by pressing print screen button from the keyboard. So you can just simply press print screen button from the keyboard. Automatically it will save the screenshot of your poster. Now you can go to Paint, MS Paint, and you can press Ctrl plus V. Your poster or the whole screen will get pasted here. Now zoom out. This is your whole screen. अगर आपने इसको पूरी screen को cut करना है, थोड़ा सा crop करना है, so that is your choice. Otherwise, you can save it as it is and upload it directly on Atlantic also. I will not cut any marks. So it is important for me to know which software you are using. So it means it is compulsory for you to take the screenshot of the whole software. Like I am using MS Word, and with this screenshot I can easily judge that this poster is created in Word, because there here tools are also coming, right? So in this way you can create posters in MS Word, or maybe you can create in PowerPoint also. This is your choice how you wanted to create poster. And after taking the screenshot of your poster, you have to upload it on Atlantic. So once you will open your classroom and go to exams, in the exams I have already created an exam. In every class, not only in 6th A, in every class I have created an exam with the name Project Term 1. So once you will open this exam, you can submit your responses here as a poster, right? But you have to upload only images, no PDF, nothing else, only image. So you can upload your work and submit it on time. The last date to submit this project is 25th of June, and it is already open uh, today. 10th, today is 10th of May, so it will this exam will open today, and you can submit it by 25th of June, right? So I hope everybody will submit this exam on time.